Hello everyone. Now we will start question number 4 of exercise 4.2 chapter 4 simple equations of standard 7th. So question number 4 is solve the following equations. Now again equation is given to us and we have to solve it and get the value of the variable. In previous questions, in question number 1, 2 and 3, we have done same thing but we have written the steps. Okay, the question was give the step and then solve. Now here they have not told to write the steps. So here we will not write steps, we will do directly. Without writing steps, we will solve the equation. So this is also called transposing. Okay. So now we will start. Our first question is 10p equal to 100. So this is our first one. Now there is only one term given this side, LHS part. 10p, okay, equal to 100. This side also one term 100. Now I told you that if there is anything given in addition and subtraction, that you have to remove first. But here addition and subtraction में कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, nothing is given. Only 10p is given, okay. So we just have to remove this 10 and we will get the value of p, means variable. So how we will remove this 10? This 10 is in multiplication, so we have to divide by 10 on both the sides. Okay, we have to divide by 10, but we will not write steps. Without writing steps, we will do it. So we will divide by 10 on both the sides, or you can simply take 10 to the RHS part. We have done transposing method, we have seen in the introduction video. So without writing steps, we will take the terms here and there with change of sign. Okay, so now 10p equal to 100 is given. Okay, now this 10 we want to remove. Okay, so this 10 is in multiplication. So whatever is in multiplication, it is in LHS part. When you take it that side to RHS part, whatever you take from this side to that side, the sign will change. We just have to do the opposite part. Same procedure what we were doing, but we were writing steps and then we were doing on both sides. Here we will not do on both sides. From here we will take to that side. Okay, so now this 10 is in multiplication, so this we have to take it in division. This side it will go in the denominator. Okay, ये जो भी 10 multiplication में दिया है, that will go in division. So this side only p will be left and this side 100 was there, and this 10 which is in multiplication, that we are taking in division. So this will be our next step, 100 upon 10. So now we will do cancellations. So 10 ones are 10 and 10 tens are 100. So p equal to 10. This is our answer. So here we don't have to write steps, directly we have to take the terms here and there with change of sign. Now change of sign is very important. If you don't do that, then your answers may be wrong. Okay, now let us see second sum. So second one is, this is our second question, 10p plus 10 equal to 100. Now I told you whatever is given in plus or minus, that should be removed first and then multiplication and division part. Okay, so now here plus 10 is given. Okay, so first we will remove this plus 10. ये plus 10 को पहले remove करेंगे. So what will happen? This plus 10, it is in plus. So what is opposite of plus? Minus. Okay, so this plus 10, ये वाला term है, that we will keep here. We will take it to RHS part. Okay, because this side we want only the variable. So step by step we will remove it. So now here only 10p is left and this side 100 is there. Now here 10 was there, plus 10. Now this plus 10 I am taking to this side, and whenever we change the part from LHS to RHS, sign also we have to change. So here it is in plus 10. When you will keep it this side, it will be minus 10. Okay, so this way you can take the terms from LHS to RHS, but sign should be changed. Now here 10p and this side 100 minus 10 will be 90. So first step is done. Okay, now next step, 10 is removed. Now again 10p equal to 90, this we got. Now this 10 is in multiplication. This was in addition, so that we have taken that side and minus 10 we have written. Now this is in multiplication, so multiplication का opposite क्या होगा? It is division. So this 10 will go where? It will go here in division, and this side only p will be left, and here 90 is there, and this 10 will go down here in the division part. 10 कहाँ जाएगा? नीचे. ओके, जो भी मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है उसको यहाँ नीचे डिवीजन में ले जाना है. सो 10 ones are and 10 nines are is 90. So p equal to 9. This is your value of the variable, second one. Hope you understood. Okay, now moving ahead with third question. So third one is p upon 4 equal to 5. So now we will solve this. Okay, we want to find the value of this variable p. So this 4 should be removed. Now if you see carefully, 4 is in division. 4 is in division. So when we will take 4 that side to RHS part, it will go in multiplication, because what is opposite of division? Opposite of division is multiplication. So ये 4 जो division में दिया है, that we will take here with 5 and it will go with multiplication. So we will multiply it. So this side only p will be left, and this side 5 into 4. This 4 will go here in multiplication. Why? Because whenever we shift anything from LHS to RHS, we change the sign. So here division is given, so that we will take to multiplication. And if multiplication is given, so that will go down in division, like we have done in these both. Now we can simply multiply. So p equal to, what is 5 4s are 20. So this is our answer. So this was easy. Now moving ahead with fourth question. So this is our fourth question, minus p upon 3. Now minus is given, minus p upon 3 equal to 5. Again this 3 is in division. So when I will take it to RHS part, it will go in, again this will go here in multiplication, because division का opposite क्या होगा? Multiplication. So here only minus p is left, and here 5 into 3. 3 we have taken here in multiplication. So minus p, and this side 5 3s are 15. Now we want the value of p, not minus p. Variable is p. So what you can do is, you got minus p equal to 15 and we want only p. So you can multiply both side by minus. तो यहाँ पे minus into minus plus हो जाएगा, तो this minus will get removed. Or you can directly write like this way. This minus which is here, we can write it with this number. So p equal to minus 15. So this is same. Okay, only if variable is left and here only one term is there, means minus p equal to 15. Then this minus, ये minus है, that you can keep with this number. So p equal to minus 15. So this is the value of the variable. Okay, so this way you can get. Or if you don't understand like this way directly, what you can do, you can multiply both side by minus. See, I'll show you that also. Minus p equal to 15 is there, right? You multiply both side by minus, because we want the value of p, not minus p. So यहाँ पे भी minus से multiply करेंगे, और यहाँ पे भी minus से multiply कर देंगे. Both side minus. So here minus into minus will become plus. And here minus into 15 means it is minus 15. So answer is going to be same. Okay, either directly you write p equal to minus 15, or you show the step. Multiply both side by minus, or minus 1 also you can write. So this was fourth sum. Now moving ahead with next question. Now next question is 3p upon 4 equal to 6. Now we have fraction 3 upon 4. Okay, so one by one we will remove. First we will remove this 4 and then we will remove the 3. Okay, now 4 is in division, so this 4 will go here in multiplication, and this side only 3p is left. So therefore 3p, and this side 4 I am taking there. 4 is in division. Okay, it is given in denominator, so it is in division, you can see that. So this 4 will go there in multiplication. Okay, opposite of division is multiplication. So ये 4 LHS से RHS में जब ले जाएंगे, so it will be in multiply. So this side 3p and this side 6 4s are 24. Okay, so 4 I have shifted. Now 3. So step by step we will do. So 3 is in multiplication. See the sign 3 and p. Between 3 and p, which sign is there? No sign means multiplication. So multiplication is there. So now this 3 will go this side in division. Okay. So division means this 3 we will write it down in the denominator. So it will be 24 upon 3 this way. Now cancellation is possible. 3 ones are 3 and 3 8s are 24. So here only p left. P equal to 8 is our answer. So this is the answer of fifth sum. Now next question is, now this is next question, 3s equal to minus 9. This is very easy. 3s, okay, 3s is given. Now this 3 is in multiplication. 3 and s, between 3 and s, which sign is there? Multiplication sign is there. So this 3 will go here in division. So ये 3 कहाँ जाएगा? यहाँ नीचे डिविजन में. Whenever we will remove this 3, we will take it to RHS. RHS साइड पे ले जाएंगे तो ये मल्टीप्लाई में है तो वो डिविजन में जाएगा. So here s only left, s left, and this side minus 9 was there. Don't change this part. Whatever is given on RHS, that you don't have to change. That will be as it is. Only this 3 you have to remove from here and write it here. Okay. So 3 which was here, that I have wrote here. So now cancellations is possible. Okay. So 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So s equal to minus 3. This is our answer. So in one step we got the answer. Now next question is 3s plus 12 equal to 0. Okay. So now 3s is given, plus 12 is also given. So first we will remove this plus 12. Okay. So plus 12, when I will take it to that side, what is opposite of plus? It is minus. So this 12 we will take it here and it will be minus 12. Sign we have to change. So don't forget to change the sign. Whenever you change anything from LHS to RHS, sign change is very important. So here only 3s is left, और यहाँ पे 0 as it is, and 12 we are taking there. So minus 12. This positive 12, when we will keep it here, it will be negative 12. Now here no change, 3s, and here 0 minus 12 is how much? 0 minus 12 is minus 12. So first step is done. Now next step, this 3 we have to remove. This 3 is in multiplication. So where it will go? It will go here in division. So this side only s will be left, and this side minus 12 upon 3. This 3 which was here, it was in multiplication. I have taken it down in division. So 3 ones are and 3 fours are 12. So s equal to minus 4 is our answer. So this is our answer, s equal to minus 4. Now next question is 3s equal to 0. Now this is also very simple. This 3 is in multiplication. Okay, so this 3 will go in division. Where this 3 will go? This 3 will go here. So here only s will be left on this side, LHS part, and here 0 upon 3. 0 divided by 3. So 0 divided by any number, the answer is 0. So 0 divided by anything is 0. So s equal to 0. So this was very simple. Now next one is 2q equal to 6. This is also of same type. Again this 2 is in multiplication. So where this 2 will go? It will go in division here. So this side only q, and here 6 upon 2. So 2 ones are and 2 threes are. Cancellation is possible. After you take 2 here, cancellation is possible. So 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So q equal to 3 is your answer. So this was next one. Now we will see. So next question is, so this is next question, 2q minus 6 equal to 0. Now 2q as it is, this minus 6 we will take that side, so it will become plus 6. So here 0 was there, 0 plus 6. Minus 6 को वहाँ ले जाएंगे on RHS part. So 0 plus 6. Now what is 0 plus 6? 0 plus 6 is 6. Now this 2 is in multiplication. So again this 2 will go in division. So it will be 6 upon 2. This 2 I have taken here. Now 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So q equal to 3. This is the answer of the variable. Now moving to next sum, k1. Now this is k. 2q plus 6 equal to 0. Now this plus 6 we will take that side. Okay, so it will be minus 6. Sign we have to change. So this side only 2q is left and this side 0 was there. Now plus 6 we are taking here to RHS. So minus 6. Sign we have to change whenever we change the place from LHS to RHS. So here 2q and here 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Okay. So one step done, plus 6 removed. Now this 2 we have to remove. So this 2 is in multiplication. So again it will go in division. So it will go down. This 2 I have taken here. So 2 ones are and 2 threes are. Minus 3 is left. So q equal to minus 3 is our answer. So this is the answer of K. Now moving ahead to the last sum. 2q plus 6 equal to 12 is given. Now this plus 6 we will take that side. So it will be minus 6. So this side 2q is left and this side 12 was there. Plus 6 we are taking there. So it will be minus 6. Okay. Now here 2q and this side 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay. Now again this 2 is in multiplication. So this 2 we have to take down in division. So this side only q is left and this side 6 upon 2. So 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So q equal to 3. So this is our answer of last sum. Now this was question number 4 of exercise 4.2. Here 4.2 is over. Hope you understood these sums.